Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the problem. Is the sound button or the audio system failing? First, press the mute/unmute key and watch the speaker icon. This verifies the input. Next, plug headphones to see if audio exists. If headphones work, the button or speakers are the issue. Open Sound Settings and Device Manager so you're ready to update drivers or restart services. Once done, move to Driver and System-Level Fixes to resolve button mapping or software conflicts. Now you handle the middle detailed steps. Update the audio driver. Right-click your audio device in Device Manager and choose Update. Roll back if a recent update broke things. Restart the Windows Audio service because drivers need the service running to respond to keys. Also open your keyboard or hotkey utility. Many laptops map volume to vendor software, so reassign or reinstall it. Once drivers and services are stable, test the sound button again to confirm the mapping has been restored. Finish by restoring any remaining pieces and confirming operation. If software fixes fail, reinstall the vendor hotkey and keyboard drivers to ensure the button sends the correct signal. If a recent update caused the issue, use System Restore to roll back to a working state. Make sure to save unsaved files first. Finally, run the laptop's hardware diagnostic to check the physical key. If diagnostics show a hardware fault, you'll need repair. One key troubleshooting tip: try an external USB key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.